The link-based retractable banner stand allows you to connect multiple custom-printed retractable banner stands together to create one large, impressive display. It includes a curved aluminum base with your custom-printed banner installed and a telescopic support pole. Insert the telescopic pole at its lowest height into the base and pull the banner up and connect the rail onto the top of the support pole. After the banner is locked into place on the pole, unlock the top locking clip to begin pulling the banner up by the support pole. Once the pole and banner are adjusted to the correct height, lock the clips back into place to secure the pole and banner. Move on and repeat these steps with the immediate next display, and then link the base of the banners together via the magnetic end caps and the top magnetic clips at the top rail of each banner. Once all of your displays are assembled, make sure to link all end caps on the base and top rail of the banners together to finish your custom printed retractable banner wall display. You can highlight the graphics of your link-based retractable banner stand with an LED rail mount light kit that connects to the top rail of the banner. Tighten the dials of the LED rail lights to lock the lights into place. Plug in the power supply to the cord from the top of the light. Take the power cord and run it behind the pole to keep your cords discreet. Do not extend the banner and pole to its tallest height until after you've installed your lights. Once your lights are installed, raise your banner and pole to the desired height and use the locking clips to secure your display in place. Your link-based retractable banner stand is ready to be shown off. Begin disassembling the link-based retractable banner stands of your retractable banner wall display by pulling the leftmost display apart from the magnetic end cap and the top clips. Gently and slowly pull down the banner and telescopic pole by unlocking the locking clips. Unplug the power source from the wall, remove the cord from around the telescopic pole, and then unplug the cord from the connecting piece of the rail light. Gently untighten the dial of the rail light to loosen the kit and pull it off the top rail of the banner. Carefully and gently remove the banner from the pole and slowly retract it into the base of the display. Remove the telescopic pole and adjust it to compact it to its lowest height and lock the clips into place. Repeat these steps with the rest of your link-based retractable banner stands in your retractable banner wall, and you will have successfully disassembled your displays.